Are you a distracted reader? Do you have lower vision? If so, you will want to try out the Enlarged Text tool. It is located on the lower toolbar of WebReader. The icon has an arrow beneath a small capital A followed by a larger capital A. When you click on the Enlarged Text tool, a green dot will appear on the tool. This indicates that the tool is turned on. Highlight some material and then click on Listen. When the reading begins, notice the enlarged font at the bottom of the page. Your eye is pulled to the enlarged text and not to the area highlighted in the document, which helps you to stay on track. Let's listen.
Each person has different learning preferences.
You can pause, play, or stop the reading. You can increase or decrease the font size. To increase the font size, click on the font increase, A+, or to decrease, A-. The enlarged text tool remains on until you go back and click on it on the lower toolbar. Notice the green dot disappears, which means the tool is turned off. This is a great way to receive smaller pieces of information at a time, while still reading the complete document. Try this feature out to see if it helps you receive information.